today. This is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. I'm going to do another alcohol lift with using the Yupo card. So starting with, I'm going to start with lettuce this time as my background. So I'm just going to pop a little down with the blending solution. And then this is just my blending tool. I'm just going to smooth that over, and that gives me a background ready to start adding more alcohol ink to. So let's start with some nice bright colours. So we've got Wild Plum there, and we've got Stream. And what colour shall we do? We'll do a yellow. This is Butterscotch. And then we're going to use our blending tool, and we're going to bob a little of the blending solution on the top. This will kind of just pull the colours together, give you this amazing sort of crackle effect. Okay, and if I want to stop that from moving, I'm just going to dab it. And we can keep on adding more colour if we wish, so I'm going to use a little bit of green. Okay, so I've got a really nice sort of vibrant background there. Now I'm going to use the alcohol lift ink and my brayer. So I'm going to draw a line of the alcohol lift along the top, and using the brayer drag that over the top. Then I'll take an impression from that with our Multifarious matte card. This means we can stamp onto the matte card without the worry of it sliding. Sometimes Yupo can be a little tricky to stamp onto, especially silhouettes. So this way we kind of can avoid it. So pop a line of the alcohol lift along the top, and then I'm going to just drag that down over the top. Don't keep on blending it though, because it will start to move. You need to be quite quick, and then you just smooth your hand over the back of that to get a good impression. Okay, let's see what we've got. And again, look at that. That's quite amazing how that lifts that colour off onto a piece of card. So I'm just going to let that dry now, and I'll cut that down, and that's ready for stamping onto then. And in the meantime, your Yupo card, you can reuse that again and again, so it will never go to waste. So I've got a couple of stamps here, so let me just find myself a block. And we're going to ink up, yeah, we might go with the Nocturne and the Medieval Blue. So I'm going to start with the Medieval Blue. So I'm inking up. I'm going to just pop that down onto our card. There we go. In fact, I don't think we need the black because that's quite dark in itself. I think the black might be a little bit harsh because it's such a pretty background. Okay, I'm going to take a little off and then put this one down a little lower. And I can afford to take even more off looking at it. So let's try that. Yeah. And another one down here. There we go. Okay, and now I'm just going to use some words to go down the edge there, covering up all my finger marks. So words are great for that. So I'm going to stamp off and then stamp off and then go over the top. And that's hidden all my finger marks, which is great. Okay, so I'm going to go around the edge now. Again, I think I will use the medieval blue. Going to give it some depth in this corner. And then just very gently along the edge there. And there we go. So I'm just going to grab a white gel pen and I'm going to just colour in the windows. And then finishing off with a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to pop some little dots coming up from the pods. Okay, and then I'm going to sprinkle, this is our blue and turquoise glitter. I'm just going to pop that down over the top of where I placed the dots, tap that off, and there we have it. Hope you can see that okay. It's quite effective, the white on the windows actually. Well, thanks for joining me guys. I hope you enjoyed watching that demonstration and I hope it inspires you to have a go. And you know, if you do have a go, post your images up on Facebook. We'd love to see them. Thanks for joining me guys. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.